Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wolfenstein Enemy Territory, full guide. Start by installing a clean game client and verify server compatibility before joining any match. Warm up with offline practice to learn movement and aiming, then join a low-stakes server to observe how players interact with objectives and class roles. Stick with teammates and communicate concise goals to build consistent, fun match experiences. Begin with the basics. Pick a class and learn its weapons and tools, such as medkit or demolition charges. Prioritize objectives over kills to help your team win maps, and practice simple movement techniques to reduce deaths. Use voice or quick commands to coordinate, and always check common spawn routes and choke points. Small habits like ammo sharing and revives dramatically increase team success and overall match enjoyment. Move into advanced play by timing pushes and using suppression to control enemy movement while teammates complete objectives. Combine complementary classes for durability and firepower, and exploit map knowledge to flank or cut off reinforcements efficiently. Practice grenade placement and utility timing to deny areas, and watch skilled players to pick up subtle positioning tricks. Consistent communication and role discipline
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.